He's teetering.
You're in. Watch it go.
Daphne, move.
Daphne.
Call her, Fred.
Daphne, get over here. You're not minding well.
See those limbs up there?
Here, let me get a big one again.
Come on. Here, over here.
Daphne, come on. Come on.
Let's get behind you. He's trying to go.
Still tight.
Where's Daphne? Hold a second, Brad. I lost Daphne. Oh, she's in there.
Double-legged there.
There it goes.
Come on, baby.
He's going, Brad.
Yeah! Timber! Holy crap!
You okay?
Yeah? Are you?
Yeah. Holy shit! Look at this spear that hit about 4 feet from Mary.
That's why I'm over here, man. Put a hard hat on.
Wow. I didn't even see that coming, Mary. I was looking over there and that spear stuck in the ground right beside her.
I didn't see that one, but you see the top blow back?
Yeah, that top and something else flew off.
That's why I said, God damn, where's that going to come back to?
Look at this, Mary. Did you see this coming?
Yeah, well, I heard it and then I saw it and I moved.
Stuck in the ground about
You
a
don't have
foot.
a hat on. Yeah, that's a killer.
Wow.
That's why you don't fall dead trees.
Yeah. I didn't even see it coming because I was looking over there and all of
Yeah.
a sudden it just went thunk in the ground. Wow, for a second I thought, is that thing going to hang up? And then I just saw
No, I saw that top bust out. I go, whoa.
Now, was that this tree's top?
Yeah.
It must have been, yeah, because it was.
Yeah, it was rotten. It had to be wedged.
Ooh, if that thing would have broke off, yikes, strikes.